Hello everyone and welcome to Lecture for Sleep. Tonight we settle in for a journey inward, a gentle exploration of the theme we call Dark Within. I invite you to find a comfortable position, perhaps lying down, letting your body feel the support beneath it. Allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze on a single point in the room. As you begin to breathe, simply notice the sensation. The rise and fall of your chest, the cool air entering, the warm air leaving. There is nothing else you need to do right now but be here in this moment with my voice as your guide. The phrase dark within might sound a bit unsettling at first. We often associate darkness with fear, with the unknown, or with things we'd rather not face. But tonight, I want to reframe that idea. Think of the darkness not as something to be afraid of, but as a space of potential. Think of the rich, dark soil from which a seed sprouts. It's a place of quiet, of germination, of rest. Our inner darkness is much the same. It's the part of us that holds our unanswered questions, our deep-seated dreams, our quiet vulnerabilities, and our untapped strength. It's the space before the dawn of a new idea. As you continue to breathe, let's imagine we are standing at the entrance to a gentle, quiet forest at twilight. The light is fading, and the world is painted in shades of deep blue and purple. The air is cool and still. There's a path leading into the trees. You might feel a moment's hesitation, and that's perfectly okay. But there's a sense of peace here, not of threat. This forest represents your inner world, that dark within. Tonight, we are not going to charge into it or try to conquer it. We are simply going to stand at its edge and then perhaps take a few gentle steps inside. With your next breath, imagine taking one step onto that soft, mossy path. The ground is gentle beneath your feet. You can smell the earthy scent of damp leaves and pine. The sounds of the day have faded, replaced by the quiet hum of the night. A cricket chirps in the distance. An owl calls softly. These are not sounds of alarm, but the natural, peaceful sounds of a world settling down for the night. Just as the forest settles, your mind can begin to settle too. The busy thoughts of the day, the worries, the to-do lists. Imagine them as birds flying home to roost for the night. You can acknowledge them, watch them fly by, and then let them go. They will be there tomorrow if you need them. But for now, for tonight, you can let them rest. As we venture a little further, the darkness deepens, but your eyes begin to adjust. You start to notice the subtle shapes around you. The strong, silent silhouettes of the ancient trees, their branches reaching up like arms in a quiet stretch. These trees have stood here for a long, long time. They have weathered storms, endured seasons of change, and stood tall through it all. They are a symbol of the resilience that also exists within you. This strength isn't loud or boastful. It's a quiet, deep-rooted endurance that you can draw upon whenever you need it. Feel that sense of quiet strength seeping into you now, a feeling of being grounded, stable, and secure. Now look up through the canopy of leaves. You might see a few stars beginning to appear, like tiny diamonds scattered on dark velvet. Each star is a distant sun, a source of incredible light and energy. These stars can represent your hopes, your dreams, your moments of inspiration. Even in the darkness, they are always there. Sometimes clouds might hide them, just as our daily troubles can sometimes obscure our sense of hope. But that doesn't mean they've gone away. They are waiting patiently for the clouds to pass. Knowing they are there even when you can't see them can be a great comfort. Allow yourself to feel the wonder of that vast, starry sky and the quiet hope it represents. Within this gentle darkness, there is also a profound sense of privacy and safety. It's a space just for you. Here, you don't have to perform. You don't have to be anyone for anybody else. You can let go of the roles you play during the day. The employee, the parent, the friend, the partner. You can simply be. This is the gift of the dark within. It's a sanctuary where you can meet yourself with honesty and compassion. Perhaps a feeling you've been avoiding gently bubbles to the surface. A touch of sadness, a flicker of worry, a pang of loneliness. You don't need to analyze it or fix it. Simply notice it, as you would notice a fallen leaf on the path. Acknowledge it with kindness. Ah, there you are. I see you. By giving these feelings a little space in the safety of the dark, they often lose their power over us. They become less of a monster under the bed and more of a quiet shadow passing by. Let's think about the moon for a moment. It has no light of its own, it only reflects the light of the sun. Yet its gentle silvery glow can illuminate an entire landscape. Our own consciousness can be like the moon. In our quiet, introspective moments, we can reflect the light of understanding and awareness onto our inner world. We can see things more clearly, not in the harsh glare of daylight, but in the soft, forgiving glow of self-reflection. This is not a time for judgment. It's a time for gentle curiosity. Like an explorer charting a new, peaceful land. What treasures are hidden here? What quiet streams of creativity are flowing? What forgotten strengths lie dormant, waiting to be rediscovered? As we stand here in the heart of our quiet forest, let's turn our attention back to the breath. Feel the gentle rhythm, the effortless cycle of in and out. Your breath is your anchor, always with you, a constant, steady presence. With each exhale, feel your body letting go a little more. Feel the muscles in your shoulders softening. Feel the tension in your jaw releasing. Feel your hands becoming heavy and warm. Every breath out is an invitation to sink deeper into relaxation, deeper into this peaceful internal space. There is nowhere else to be, nothing else to do. Just this breath and the next. The dark within is not a void. It is a womb. It is the space where healing happens, where recovery takes place, where energy is gathered for the day to come. Sleep itself is a journey into this nourishing darkness. We surrender our conscious control and allow our bodies and minds to do the profound, mysterious work of restoration. Trust in this process. Trust in your body's innate wisdom to heal and recharge. Trust that by allowing yourself this time of rest, you are giving yourself an incredible gift. You are watering the soil of your being, ensuring that you have the resources to grow and flourish when the sun rises again. Our walk is nearing its end for tonight. We begin to gently make our way back towards the edge of the forest, but we don't leave it behind entirely. We carry the peace of this place with us. We carry the memory of the silent, strong trees, the distant, hopeful stars, and the safe, quiet path. Know that you can return to this inner sanctuary whenever you need to. Just by closing your eyes and focusing on your breath, you can find your way back to this place of calm and strength. It is always within you. As you settle deeper into your bed, ready for sleep, hold on to this feeling of gentle acceptance. Acceptance of the light and the dark within you. They are not in conflict. They are two parts of a beautiful, complex whole. The day needs the night in order to be complete, and you need all parts of yourself to be whole. So, as you drift off, give yourself permission to rest completely, to surrender to the nourishing darkness of sleep, knowing that it is a place of safety, healing, and renewal. Let my voice be a soft whisper that fades into the background as you float on the gentle currents of your own breath, deeper and deeper into a peaceful, restorative sleep. Thank you for joining me on this journey tonight at Lecture for Sleep. I hope you found a measure of peace. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing for more sessions designed to help you rest and reflect. Sleep well. Good night.